Hi, I'm Mario. Who knows this German traffic sign? Anybody knows it? But in case, that's the sign for no speed limit. But it sounds much funnier in German. It is Ende aller Höchstgeschwindigkeiten. Should we try it again? Ah, okay. Why is this important? When it comes to personal investments, having no speed limits will be absolutely crucial in the future. They will get you to the next digital level. Because the future of personal investments will be automated to the maximum, with digital interfaces of many kinds like Siri or Alexa. And speed will help you to go that way. With speed, you will be able to analyze in a way on a scale that meets the needs of your digital customer and your organization. With speed, you will be able to engage with your customer in a truly digital fashion, creating millisecond responses to nearly every question they might have. And with speed, you will be able to be much more efficient. Because if your systems are fast enough, just a few specialists will be able to serve millions of portfolios, creating a great ROI. We at aixigo specialize in systems with no speed limits. Today, we will show you our digital portfolio management backend, or as I call it, our robo backend. It is based on our well-proven wealth management service platform, and Marcus will show you how it works.
All right. Hello, everyone. My name is Marcus Grundler, and I'm head of portfolio management systems at aixigo. The race in the wealth management sector for lower costs and increased efficiency is at full pace. And one key to win this race is robotic process automation. Imagine that you would run a robo-advisor. You would have to manage your model portfolios and rebalance your customers. And I show you how to do that with our platform. First, you define the product universe of your robo-advisor. You can add as many products as you like to the system. And these products will build the basis of the model portfolios later on. Next, you define your micro-model portfolios, which we call investment components. And the final model portfolios are just an allocation of these components then. Components are designed to support specific strategies, such as theme investing, goal-based investing, or other specific strategies. The system has multi-tenant capabilities so that every tenant can define its own investment components or model portfolios. When I enter an investment component, I can define the allocation of it. I can add products to it, and I can define the proportions and the minimal and maximal allocation ranges. I can also analyze the structure of the portfolio. I can analyze it, for example, by currency, asset class, region, or sector. If you want to perform time series-based analytics, you just click on the Analytics tab and analyze the performance development of your allocation. You can see other KPIs, and you can select individual products in order to analyze them. Once you're satisfied with your allocation, you can start the 4-eyes approval process in order to activate your changes. After activation, you can see a list of all the changes that you've made so far to your allocation. The next step would be to define the model portfolios, which are basically just an allocation of these components. Now that we've defined investment components and model portfolios, it's time to do some work. When your robo has tens or even hundreds of thousands of portfolios, you can't rebalance them by hand anymore. But you could use our robotic process automation in order to rebalance all of them just with a few clicks. That's what I'm going to do now. I will rebalance 32,000 portfolios right here on stage. Okay, let's go. The system now identifies the portfolios that are in need of rebalancing. It calculates the individual target allocation for every portfolio, generates rebalancing orders, and transfers them to the order management system. And we can even see the progress of this process. We can see the status of the rebalancing, we can see the sum of all the buy and sell transactions, and we can see the live update of all the orders that are generated in the system. And after about 30 seconds, 32,000 portfolios have been rebalanced at an average rate of about 950 portfolios per second. And that's an amazing number. In the background, the system performed complex operations on every portfolio in order to rebalance it. And that's at a rate of nearly 1,000 portfolios per second. And this high-performance automation is exactly what you need if you want to scale your business beyond a few thousand portfolios. The system is designed for large-scale data sets, so even 500,000 portfolios would be complete in a few minutes. And that's how you can leverage the know-how of one market expert to a retail-scale customer segment without the need of having a manual workforce for rebalancing and paperwork. And this is exactly how our high-performance wealth management platform helps you to scale your business. Let us help to scale your business, since we have a clear vision. We want to democratize wealth management for the masses. Okay, Mario, go ahead.
Today, discretionary portfolio management is a service just for the few. It's still very handmade, and it's truly not very digital. Make it digital. Use it. Use your own brand and use your asset management capabilities. Create a great service for your customers' money. And let's get started. Let's talk digital in wealth management today, because it's the end of all speed limits.